Hello, everyone. If you work in accounting or you're planning to become an accountant, make sure you know this Excel function in this video. And the great thing is it works for all Excel versions. So let's get started. Today in this video, I'm going to explain how to use aggregate function in Excel. The aggregate functions allows you to summarize your values, and it gives you the ability to ignore errors as well as hidden cells. So, for example, in this table, I have date, transaction number, account, and amount. What happens if I sum the amount column? So, let's get started to sum. Select your range, Control Shift down, close bracket, press enter. You get an error. Why? Because I have an error in there. So if you use aggregate function, just start with aggregate. You get a lot of choices for the type of aggregation you want to do. In this case, I want to sum. So I'm going to option number 9. Then I get the choices of ignoring options. I recommend to use the option number 3, ignore hidden rows, error values, nested subtotal, and aggregate function. Then you have to select your array, Control Shift down, close brackets, press enter. I get the total of amount column with no error. Even if I restrict this buffet expenses, I get the total of buffet expenses with no error. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.